Hello children and welcome to today's online class. We are learning cube and cuboid chapter 18. Page number 270. Let us discuss question number 5 today. A rectangular solid. So rectangular solid means it is a cuboid. So here rectangular solid means it is a cuboid. Is twice as long as its breadth and its height is 3/4 of its breadth. So very important children, we have length, breadth, height of a cuboid. So the relation of length is connected with breadth as well as the relation of height also is connected with breadth. That means length is twice of its breadth. So length is twice its breadth and height is 3/4 of its breadth. So length is twice of its breadth and your height is 3/4 of its breadth. That means breadth is very important here. If you know breadth, you are knowing length as well as height because both are connected with breadth. So the other further question says, if its volume be 324 meter cube, volume value is given, find its dimensions. Find its dimension means you have to find length, breadth and height. Dimension means length, breadth, height. So nothing is given, only volume is given and relation is given. So in this case what we will do children, our solution will be, first of all we will begin our work from breadth, because if you know breadth you are knowing length and height. So what I will do, I will write let the breadth of cuboid, or you can write rectangular solid, both are same, be x. As it is meter cube, so here I will write meter, x meter. Then automatically we are knowing the length, and length is twice as its breadth. So length will be twice of the breadth. Therefore the length of cuboid will be or equal to 2x meter. Now we will be knowing the height also. Height is 3/4 of its breadth. So I can write the height of cuboid equal to 3/4 means you have, like twice means you are multiplying with 2. So in case of 3/4 you have to multiply by 3/4. So now x will be multiplied by 3/4 and our result will be 3x by 4. 3 into x, 3x by 4. And here I will write meter. Now children, next we should move to volume. So value of volume is given. So what we will do, therefore the volume of cuboid equal to, its value is given, its value is 324 meter cube. So that value we will write. Now we can apply the formula of volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height equal to 324. So let us put all the respective values of length, breadth and height. So length is 2x, breadth is x and height is 3x by 4 equal to 324. Now you can do one thing, this 2 and this 4 you can cancel, 2 2s are 4, and our result here will be 3x cube by 2 equal to 324. Next what we will do children, what we will do now, we will write only x cube here So you all know, when I will make x cube alone here, the number at denominator will go and cross multiply at the top, and number on numerator will come down and divide with 324. So that means upper part will come to lower part and lower part will go to the upper part when it changes the side. So it will be 324 into 2 by 3. So definitely these two numbers will cancel. 3 1s are 3. Next is 3 8s are 24, but we directly cannot write 3 8s are 24 because only one number is allowed at a time. So when we take two numbers, if we are bound to take two numbers, then we have to put 0 and then we can take. Now 3 8s are 24. Now space, I am lacking space, so I am going this side, children. So here I will be writing next part, arrow x cube equal to, we have 108 into 2. So you can multiply, otherwise you can write this way also. Let me multiply and my result will be 216. 2 8s are 16, 6, 2 0s are 0 and 1, 1, 2 1s are 2, 216. Next I have to find the value of x. So what I will do, I will write only x. So when I remove cube from left hand side, then it will become cube root on the right hand side. So cube root here now. Cube root we write like this, 216. Now cube root of 6 we should know, it is 6, but if you do not know, we can do rough work. We can divide like this, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 8s are 16. Again here same thing, I took 16 at a time, so 0 I have to put. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, then we have 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So in cube root what we do, children? Out of 3 2s we take 1 2, out of 3 3s we take 1 3. So 2 and 3 if you multiply, our result is 6. So I can say therefore x equal to 6. That is, cube root of 216 is 6, but if you do not know, that is the way to solve the cube root. As it is meter cube, so our value here will be meter, because meter cube is volume and x is the length of a side of the cuboid, so it will be meter. Now children, we have to find the dimension, length, breadth and height. So what we will do, this value of 6 we will put in the respective places. The length of the cuboid is 2x, so 2 into value of x, that we will do. So till this portion, children, just you do the screenshot, or you can pause the video and write the notes. So let me further do the other questions, other part. Okay. So now I can write, therefore the length of cuboid is equal to 2x. So I can write 2 into value of x, that is 6. I have erased it, and 2 6 are 12 meter. This is our first answer. Second answer, the breadth of the cuboid. Therefore the breadth of cuboid was x, so directly the value of x is 6 meter. This is our second answer. Next, our height of the cuboid is 3x by 4, so we should not forget that. So I will write same thing here. Therefore the height of cuboid equal to 3x by 4. So I can write 3 into x is 6 by 4. Let me cancel few parts. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 3 3s are 9, 9 by 2, and half of 9, 9 by 2. By 2 means making half of anything. So by 2 will be your 4.5. 4.5. Half of 9 is 4.5. It's meter. So third answer. So this is how we have to find the length, breadth and height. Hope children you understood. Thank you children.